पणजे पुलीस स्टेशना कडेन आशिल्ल्या मेन हॉलाचेर घातिल्ली लादी अर्दी मोडिल्ल्यान सुरक्षेचो प्रश्न थंय आशिल्लो आसा. फुटपाथी वयल्यान वचपी लोकांचो पांय भितर पडून अपघात जावपाची शक्यताय आसा. पणजे महानगरपालिकेन ह्या विशयाचेर आडनदर केल्याचें दिसून येता अशें लोक म्हणटात. वायट घडणूक घडच्या पयलीं संबंदीत प्रशासनान ह्या प्रकाराची दखल घेवची अशी मागणी रोलंड मार्टिन्स हाणें केला.
दिसता त्या प्रमाणे म्हाका कळटा that this would have been done by the smart city people, but all the same now this also comes under the responsibility of the CCP. Now this is exactly the issue which the Supreme Court order has been given, that the pedestrian safety is very, very important. Now if you see here, some person has been kind enough to keep one flower pot here just to obstruct, to warn you. So if you see, to my understanding, this would have been the work undertaken by the people contracted by the smart city. But now this would come under the purview of the corporation of the city of Panjim. Now if you see, some kind soul has kept one flower pot there just to alert the pedestrian that be careful, you may fall in that manhole, so to say. Now this is dangerous because for a person walking on this road, on this pavement, you are likely to first hit to the flower pot and fracture your toe. Now if the flower pot was not here, your leg can go inside this. You see as my leg is going in here. And therefore I would suffer a leg fracture. Now these are the simple things, but they result in very serious deadly consequences. Now Panjim is a very important walking area for the tourists. There are many elderly tourists who are walking also on this pavement. Now, I would request the authorities to immediately act